guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Riyaj. Today I received some packages, so let's open it and see what's inside. This is a piggy bank. If you put 500, you have to mark it. If you put 200, you have to mark it. This is bad. In summer, birds don't get food and water, so we help them. This is my chessboard. I love to play chess, so my mother brought for me. And this is my new lunch bag. It's like this. We have to open it from here. There are small chesses inside. Doesn't it look cute? Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Bye.